Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys,
Good
good
morning.
morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, guys. So guys, today we will discuss about the overview, like how our training goes and what all are the technologies that we deal with. And when it comes to data analytics, what all are the key things? Okay. So in the last session, we have discussed about the advantages of digitalizing any business data, right? So what was the advantage, guys? When we digitalized our data, we will have safety, security, and
Easy analysis.
easy analysis. And analysis is the key thing, guys, here. So I'm sharing my screen. Let me know once you're able to see my screen. You able to see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So earlier we have taken an example of maintaining a retail store related sales transaction as part of a book. And what was the count that we taken, guys? Per day count? Per day, 1,000 transactions. This was a count. So per month, what will be the count? 30,000. Okay. So in a book, if that is a retail store related sale transaction, when we try to categorize our sales information, sorry, categorize our sales information into product categories, something like grocery, stationery, okay, some kits related thing. So in order to consolidate all the sales information, we have to go through that manual book and we have to keep adding her sales information. Okay, grocery 10 rupees today, 11 rupees, 12 rupees, 110, after that 50 rupees. Like that, we have to sum up this way manually. So it takes lots of time. And our data is also not secure because once you lost that book, access to that book, your entire business is gone. Okay. So that's why it is very important to have our business data digitalized. So three important things: safety, security, and easy analysis. And how easy analysis goes, I'll explain here. Let's suppose this is my database. Or not even, I'm not using any database. I'm using a simple Excel file. So can anyone tell me what are the columns that I have taken as part of that example? What was the first column, guys? Sales transaction related one. Product, quantity, price, total sales, product, category. Okay. So these are the columns I have taken. That business owner is somewhat having access to computer and is having little bit knowledge on the computer, and he is able to access MS Excel, and he is able to enter his sales information in Excel. Let's suppose he's not having any access to database. Okay. Now what I'll say, I'll say pen. Quantity is 10 and price is 25 rupees. So what will be the total sales, guys?
250.
250. So as it is a simple calculation, 25 into 10, we will be able to write 250. Okay, fine for now. I'll remove this. And product category, I'll say stationery. And here I come. I'll say oil. I'll say 18 liters, which is of 147 rupees. Now, if I ask you what is the total sales, what we'll do? Either we'll take use of a calculator or we will go for a manual calculation. And remember, whenever we do any manual calculation, there are many chances to have our result go wrong. True or not, guys? If you take a paper and if you do like 147 into 18, 8,
True.
7, so that manual calculations may lead to errors in the result. That's why you have to go with a digital calculator, or if you are using an Excel like this, then you can have formulas used here. The simple formula is what I'll do is equal to total sales is equal to my quantity cell into my price cell. That's all. And next, I can apply the same formula for rest of the rows in my table. In table in the sense here. Why I'm calling this one as table? The reason is it is organized. Data is organized in the form of rows, and columns. Guys, why I'm calling this as table? Because data is organized in the form of rows
and
and columns. And now tell me how many rows I'm having in my table right now,
3 rows, including
including
headers.
header, including header, 3 rows. And what is my business data? What is the row count of my business data?
2.
2. Perfect. How many columns I'm having here?
5 columns. 5 columns.
5 columns. Perfect. And what kind of information this table telling me?
Transaction.
Yes, transaction. What transaction?
Sales.
Perfect. Sales transaction. Clear? What this table telling us? It's a sales transaction and 2 records are there. And my sales transaction is organized over 5 columns. Remember this. Okay. Now see here, guys, simply by putting a formula like my quantity column into price, given me this output. Okay. The similar way, I'll add some more data. Now tell me how many sales transactions I'm recording here in this table.
6.
Perfect. 6. Okay. And out of these six, how many stationery sales are there?
2.
2 stationery. How many grocery?
2.
How many sports?
2.
Now, if I ask you, what is the sales of only grocery item from this table? Earlier, if this table is maintained in a book manually, what you used to do? You used to go to grocery column, grocery row, and you have to take this one manually 2646 plus, and again, where is grocery here? Okay, 7,500. This way you used to compute, right? If it is a manually maintained transaction in a book. In our case, we are maintaining data in an Excel form. So in the Excel, we are having a provision of filtering our data. See here, filtering. We can filter our data on any of the column. See here, we got filters, guys. If you are not aware of like Excel using of Excel, it's not a problem, guys. It's very simple to use. It's very simple to use. See here, when I use this filter option, am I getting an additional symbol here? Guys, noticing an additional symbol in the column header?
Drop down.
Yeah, a drop down kind of thing. So if I go and check my product category drop down, I'm seeing how many values?
3.
But whereas in that column, how many values are there?
6 columns.
6 columns.
Sorry.
But why the filter giving me only 3 values? The reason is all 6 values repeated. So my filter giving me only the unique values or distinct values. Remember this keyword, guys. Unique, distinct. Both are same. Unique, distinct. We are going to discuss about these 2 keywords a lot in during SQL discussion. Okay. So why the filter taking out only unique or distinct values from that column to filter the data? Clear? So far clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now my queries are this way. What is total grocery sales? How can I achieve this? This is my question on my data. This is my sales data. This is my question. How can I achieve?
D3 plus D7.
Perfect. D3. This is grocery row. And this is, sorry, this is one grocery row and this is one more grocery row. As we are having only a limited number of 6 records, a limited number of 6 records in my sales data, we are able to simply say D3 plus D7 as a sum of grocery. Let's suppose as per my earlier use case where per day sales is 1,000 rupee, 1,000 transaction, per month sales is 30,000 transactions. So in such case of use cases, in a single day, how many transactions I can get, guys? What's the transaction count in a single day? 1,000.
1,000.
And those 1,000 records, in those 1,000 records, is it easy job to go and check, okay, grocery this row and grocery one more row, grocery one more row? Is that an easy job?
No, it's tedious
No.
job.
Tedious one, right? And again, it is a manual one. You are doing it manually. Though data maintained in a system, you are doing that consolidation of that particular grocery sales manually. Again, whenever a manual activity is involved, there is always a chance, 100% chance involved to get error result. Remember that. Okay. Now what I'll do, sales data I'll involve here. So what I'll simply say, it is of 29th November 23 sales. Next day, what I'll say, this is 30th November sales. And I'll say, though it is a future date, just ignore, guys. Otherwise, I'll use 28 and I'll use 27. Okay. Yeah. So now, let me remove this. What is my total grocery sales? This is my question now. So in such cases, what I'll do, I'll simply add filter. I'll simply add filter to my data. And I'll go to product category. I'll simply choose in the product category. I'll simply unselect everything. I'll select only grocery and see what happened. Row number 3 or row number 7. See here, guys. We're seeing row number 3 and 7. Whenever any row number highlighted in blue color other than the regular color, then we can say the data of the particular table is in filtered mode. And if you want to understand on what column basis data is filtered, you can see this filter option on that particular column.
Product category column.
Yeah, see, rest of the columns are having only drop down symbol, whereas product category column is having a filter symbol enabled this way. Clear? Now you can simply select these two and you can see 40,146. If you select only total sales column, then automatically your Excel is going to provide you sum and average. See, total sum is, what is total sum here, guys? Able to see total sum here? 40,146 is total sum. Now I'll deselect this filter. If I, okay, sorry, let me answer my queries. 40,146. Perfect. Same way, I'll ask you, what is my sports sales? Now, what I need to do, I have to go to product category. I have to deselect all and I have to select only sports. See, sports. What are the row numbers, guys, here for sport related sale entries?
5,6.
5,6. Now, what is total sales? 22,950. See here.
22,950
is my total sales. Now I'm going to product category column again. What is total stationery sales? If I ask you this way. So simply go to product category column and select stationery and row number 2 and 4 and total sales is 5,625. I got my answers. So what is the time? Let's suppose I can say, can I say only 5 seconds time I took to answer in each of these question, guys? Only 5 seconds time. Can I say?
Yes.
Yes, within 5 seconds. Just we are going here, we are filtering and we are selecting total sales. We are looking at the total sales and we are recording here. Only 5 seconds time. Within 5 seconds time, we are able to do this. And remember, this 5 seconds time is same, going to remain same. Either your record count is 6 or your record count is 1000 or 10,000. Clear, guys? Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understanding my point? Because
Yes.
because it simply filters, like in the entire data, it will simply filters and give you the result. That's all. As the record count is more and the filtering takes more time, it is not that case. Okay, so it is advantage by using by digitalizing in your data in some form, at least maintaining in Excel. Okay, so these are advantages here with the Excel. Now I'll ask one more question here. Okay, so on 30th November, what is my grocery sales? On 29th November, what is my stationery sales? I'll insert one more record here. I'll simply add one more record here. So say book 1540. Okay. Now, yes, we are having data in front of us and we are having queries here. Answer my questions. First, answer this question. On 29th November, what is my stationery sales? On 30th November, what is my grocery sales?
850 for stationery.
On 29th, so simply what we'll do?
Filter sales date.
So how many filters we need to consider here, guys, based on the question?
2 filters.
What are
2
those?
filters. One is date, sales
filters,
date. Another one is the product category.
Yeah, as per the
Product category
question.
is stationery.
Yeah, perfect. As per the question, I have involved date, sale date, and product category. I have involved how many parameters in my question? 2 parameters. What are those? Sale date and
Stationery.
product
Product
category.
name.
Stationery is product category. So when I come to my sale data table, here the first level filter needs to be on inside 29th November. So first level filter needs to be applied on stationery or on the date?
Date.
Perfect. Because my question is on 29th November. So first we have to isolate our data based on my query saying only choose 29th November. See here, guys. As this is text data, only distinct or unique values taken in the filter. As this is sale date is date related data. What kind of data, guys? Date. Date contains what, guys? Year, month, day. That's why Excel automatically, intelligently given filter saying in the year 2023 and November, inside November, we are having 4 days. You are having data in your sale date column only for these days. This way, Excel intelligently giving you the filter. Clear? Everyone clear? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Though for some people it may look simple, but the people who are beginning their SQL or data related learning from the step 1, for them it will become very handy, guys, to understand how to deal with the data at initial stages using Excel, and step by step we'll learn with the Excel, after that SQL, after that analysis, this way. Okay. For those people, I'm targeting those people. Okay. Anyway, it will be collectively helpful for everyone. Okay. Clear so far with the sales, how Excel able to apply filter on a date column data? Clear, everyone? Okay. So here, as per my question, on 29th November, in the sense within the date 29th November, I deselect everything and I'm going to 29th November. Within the 29th November, what is stationery sales? How many stationery sales happened within 29th November?
2.
So I'll simply select stationery. See here, guys, where is my sports related category gone here? Am I seeing sports related category here?
No.
No. What is the reason?
No.
Because when I select a date filter, when I
There
apply a
is no-
filter, in that particular date filter, there is no sports related entry available. That's why my product category filter showing me only 2 possible values for that particular date. I'm choosing stationery only. Now, what is the sales, guys? What is the answer?
850.
Perfect, 850. Now, on 30th November, so I'll deselect every filter. So I'll go and deselect every filter. Now, entire data came back. Okay, now on 30th November, what is my grocery sales? Now tell me, guys. So which filter I have to apply first?
On date,
Date.
Okay,
then product.
deselecting everything and 30th November.
30 November.
No sales.
What is the grocery sales? If I go and check product category, do I
Zero.
have any entry for grocery?
No.
No. Then what will be the answer? Someone said already.
Zero.
Perfect. 0 is my total sales for the particular time. Clear, guys? Again, it is not taking more than 10 seconds. Remember, guys, when you try to analyze your data and the combination of multiple parameters, even such cases also not taking more than 10 seconds, right? It is irrespective of your data count. Let's suppose I'll try to add same data multiple times. See here, what is my data row count here now? It's showing at row number 29. By excluding header, row 1, what will be the my row count? 28. So now I'll take out them into a next sheet. I'm going sheet 1. So if I choose as per the first question, 29th, under 29th November, what is my stationery sales? Now how many records came? Because I have copied multiple times the same data. See here, guys. Again, if I simply select, I'm saying 3,400, right? So this way, irrespective of record counts, we will be able to achieve answers to our questions or analyze our data. Clear, guys? This is called analysis, guys. This is called analysis. Understanding, everyone?
Yes.
I have taken simple use case for your understanding purpose. This is called analysis. Because you may have your different interest and different product related sales in your business. Okay. So this way you will analyze your data and you can take the decisions which are required to improve your business. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll remove all the other data. From this point, I'll remove all of the data. Okay, I have removed and I have retained my previous data as is. Now, Excel is able to provide me data by filtering on a specific column basis or on the combination of multiple columns. Now, if I ask you, which particular product category is having more sales and the overall data? Which particular category having more sales in my business? This is my question. Now think, guys, can we achieve this here? So first, what we have to do, guys?
Yes.
First level thing, what we have to do? We have to check what all are product category available with me. And then for each of the product category, I have to collect total sales this way. I have to collect total sales this way. After collecting, I have to manually check. Okay. 40,000, 22,000, 625. After checking manually, I can decide which value is higher. Which value is higher here?
48,146.
And
40,000.
40,146 belongs to which
46.
product category?
Grocery.
Grocery. So
Grocery.
my answer will be, what will be the answer for this question?
Grocery.
Grocery. So here, can I say manual intervention there in answering this question? Can I say that?
Yes,
Yes.
needed.
Yes,
At
yes.
what point? At what point manual intervention came? Consolidating
last
product
looking at
category.
the-
Consolidating product category by sales, no manual intervention available because I have simply filtered my data and I have checked the sum and I have recorded that sum. After collecting each product category by sales, then a manual intervention came saying out of these 3 product category values, which one is higher? This way, manually I'm deciding. Not system is not answering my question here. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, this way. And I'll ask one more question. A similar kind of question. Which date is having more sales in November month? This is my question. This is my question. Then what we have to do, guys? Again, earlier we used to categorize sales information based on product category, and we have collected this sales information. And now again, I have to do on what basis, guys? As per this question.
Sales
Date.
text wise.
Date.
So yeah, I'm having already ordered the data right here. So I'll simply, instead of filtering data, first 3 rows are of 29th. What is the total sum? 212. 29th November 212 is the sales. And next 2, I'm selecting these 2. 4525.
I think you have taken the price value. Total sales we're supposed to take. Right?
Sales is different, right? We'll get more. 29th.
Is here, which date is having more sales in November month? We are having sales on different dates in the month of November, right? So I'm asking in my data, which date is having more sales?
We're supposed to take the sales, total sales, right? Not the
Total.
price.
Okay, sorry. Got it.
You are taking price.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Taking price.
3496. Got it. Thanks. That's a sign of good attention. 30th November. 30th November, these 2 entries. What is the total sales? 22,875. And now, on 28th and 27th, what are the sales? Tell me, guys. Come on, guys.
450 and 37,500.
37,500. Because only one entry is available.
37,500.
And now tell me, what is the answer? Here, system given me total sums. Now, to answer my final question.
27th.
27th November is a day which is having highest sales
Highest sales. 37,500.
of November month. Okay, this is your answer. Again, this answer came with a manual intervention or system decided?
Manual.
Manually.
Manual.
After going through all date-wise sales, manually we have taken decision to saying, okay, 27th November is a one which is having highest sales like 37,500 among other dates. This way I have manually decided. These sums system given when I select this way. Okay. So Excel is also having few limitations. True or not? Excel will be able to answer your queries when they are straightforward this way. What is total grocery sales, total sports sales, within the date, what is stationery sales this way. But when it comes to questions like this, again, these are your analysis, guys. Getting a point? Guys, able to understand?
So,
Yes.
This is analysis. In general, people do this kind of analysis only. So here, when you come to this kind of questions, system unable to give you straightforward answers. Manual interventions is required. But in case of simple questions, simple analysis, you'll be able to follow the system given answers. Okay. So Excel is also having few limitations, guys. That's why a new system called a database management system, DBMS, is introduced, and we deal with data in that system using a language called SQL. We deal with data in DBMS using a language called SQL, structured query language. Structured query language. Once data is available in the system, what we'll do, guys? Once data is available in the system, what we'll do?
We can do analysis.
Analysis. Perfect.
Analysis data.
So this is database symbol, guys. The pipe symbol, cylindrical symbol is database symbol. Remember
Database
this.
symbol.
Remember this database symbol. So I'm calling this as database. Inside this database, I can maintain multiple tables. Everything we'll learn later. But by looking at this Excel example, this is a table, right? Table data. So this way we can have tables, and inside tables, what we'll have? Data in the form of
Rows and
Rows
columns.
and
perfect.
Rows and columns.
Rows and columns. We'll have data in this form, rows and columns. Okay. On this data, to achieve answers to our analytical questions, we can analyze that data and achieve our answers using SQL. These are my analytical questions. Okay. Using a language called SQL. I can achieve answers. All these answers. Okay. So it's a two-way. It will read the table data, it will analyze the data, and it will give you the answers this way, SQL. Okay. This is high level, guys. Clear so far, everyone? This is high level. Once you are able to analyze your data, basically all the analytical results will be saved in a system called warehouse. Again, warehouse is nothing but a database, guys. Warehouse is nothing but a database. See here, guys. You can treat warehouse as a godown. If you're having a retail shop, you will not maintain all the stock inside your retail store because you'll be having a limited space in a shop which is located in a center where rents are very high. You'll maintain your godown in a old home which is like far away. Whenever you need stock, you'll bring that stock and maintain that stock in your shop. True or not, guys?
Yes.
It's true.
So the same way,
Yes. True.
warehouse exactly won't suit for the definition, but warehouse is like once you analyze the data, this analytical results will be saved inside the warehouse. Analytical results will be saved inside a warehouse, guys. Because once you analyze your data, what you spent here, you have spent your time. True or not? Guys.
Yes.
It's true.
During analysis, on analyzing this data, what you spend, you have spent some time. Why do you again spend your time when you go for answering, like analyzing your data again in this fashion going forward? No need, right? I have spent my time. So I'll go and save my analysis results in my another database called warehouse. So whenever I need results, I'll simply ask this warehouse, okay, what is the result? Instead of again recomputing, recalculating, and again analyzing. True or not, guys?
Yes.
Warehouse also contains tables. So here what we are saving by dating, we are saving results. By using a warehouse tables, what we are going to achieve here? We are going to save. What we are going to save? Recomputation. True or not? Again, reanalyzing your data. True or not, guys?
True.
Yes.
Why we
True.
need to spend again time? Again, obviously, recomputation, reanalyzing is obviously what is the thing, the prime thing that is getting saved? Time. True or not?
Time.
Okay. So this is called warehouse. High level definitions I'm giving here. So once we have our warehouse available, we will have some reporting systems. We need to have, so data is available in my warehouse, but how I present my data to business, or how can I look at my data? So that's why there is one more layer called reporting systems. Reporting tools, we used to call them as reporting tools. In the graphs, in the form of graphs or in the form of other visual charts, we will be presenting our data. So
Pie chart.
yeah, pie chart or bar chart, okay, wagon wheel, anything. Okay, so we'll use reporting tools will use data available in our warehouse, and they will present data to the business or end users in the form of, instead of text data, they will present some data. See, see here, if I go and select this, and if I say insert a graph this way. Okay, wait. No. I select this. I'll go here. Two column. See here, guys. By looking at the data, I'm seeing. By looking at the data, I have to check. Okay, which particular date-related sales needs to be more. 37,000. Okay, 27th. But by looking at this bar chart, can we simply say, okay, the bar which is having